What is going on, guys? It's your official right now. Banging with another video. Today's video we have D Block Europe, Young Ads, and Dirt Bike LB with the song called We Won. This is a grind video, but hey man, I'm about to start doing my videos just like this just because I could get like 28 videos up instantly like this. So if you guys do enjoy this video, be sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, check the link in the description. There's a link to my website. Go ahead and pre-order some shirts right now. There's limited shirts. I'm not gonna tell you how much it is, but it's limited shirts. It's just go ahead and get some. Let's get right into this video, man. And also, we're 50 subscribers away from 3K. So let's get there, man. Let's get there, man. Let's see. Bust down. Oh, damn. Bust down with some bust clappy cheeks. Whoa. D Block, I'm watching you again today. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, what is that? Oh, what type of food is that? I ain't never, bro. What the fuck? Bro, you're not. I don't think that's how you're supposed to grill. You're not supposed to put alcohol into the fire, or whatever the fuck that is into the fire, bro. Look at the flames, bro. That's not even effects. Suave.
Yeah, I gon' love a hoe. She don't love the bros. No way, no way. Even on my mind, I've been thinking about you day, oh day.
Bro, you got him to kiss in a video, bro. You got him to kiss in the video, bro. That's lit. You know what I'm saying? That's lit. You know what I'm saying?
New creep on my beat when I'm outside. Make some France good weed while I smell like.
What?
I ain't tryna control you, enjoy your night, let's go insane. 2 magnums and I keep it still with me. Car full of niggas that kill for me. Brick on my knee, hood still with me. Can't remember the brick side pills and me. TBE got the game influence.
Yo, who's Shorty with the red? What's her name? Shorty with the red, what's your name? Come holler at me. Come holler at a winner, you know what I'm saying? We'll play these dominoes in the bed, you know what I'm saying? If I win, y'all already know I get the clap the cheeks, which I'm going to win.
Drink, driving on the influence. Rotate the wheel, fucking answer down. She got a fuck the best friend, now I'm in the shit. I do not wanna get into it, girl. I really wanna get into my girl. Apology, Louis Bass, give you the world. Show me your new dress, come give me a smile. 2 magnums and I keep it still with me.
2 magnums and I keep it still with me. You get that? Like, 2, because... Come on, man. I know y'all get that in the comments, bro. I know y'all know what you trying to say.
Car full of niggas that kill for me.
Huh?
Brick on my knee, hood still with me. Can't remember the brick side pills and me. I gon' love a hoe, she don't love the bros. No way, no way. Even on my mind, I've been thinking about you day, oh day.
You know what just killed the whole video, bro? He doesn't have one of these. He was playing that trash ass Xbox that I got down here, bro. Don't do that, bro. Don't do that, bro. Nah.
New creep on my beat when I'm outside. Make some France good weed while I smell like. I ain't tryna control you, enjoy your night, let's go insane. Rollie on my wrist, let's test the time. Girl, for this love, will you testify?
Where my Rolex at? My Rolex, man. I lost my Rolex, man. Let's test the time. I bet you it's time to get this money, man.
Cut back, I'm born to ride. And this love so deep, I let her mesmerize. Gunshots to his face, it's an incident. No, he can't hope his mama go pay the rent. I saw a white girl when I'm at Mercedes Benz. You could never call me bro, it don't make no sense. We codeine cut for.
Bro, I'm not. Oh, hold on now. Oh, wait. I paused it at the wrong minute, yo. I don't like. Oh, never mind. I think I paused it at the wrong time. Let's shut up. Ooh, never mind. I don't think I just. Would you guys hit that? I mean, I'm looking at them now. Shorty behind him, she creeping me out. So she's a no-no right now. Shorty in the red, looking like a horse a little bit, but I might have to make. Would y'all hit, bro? That's the only question I got. Would y'all hit, bro?
Okay, we get bored, then we change, okay?
Cause me, I'm still hitting. I don't know about y'all, but the girl in the white, I'm not hitting. But the girl in the red, I'm still hitting.
Exotic weed got us conversating. Said you had a man, said you was taking. No runners got you debate. I think this ain't got me geek pulling stupid faces. Paid in full when I'm pouring A's. Spaceship.
But I was just gonna say nobody in this building is wearing a mask. Thank God you did the right thing and wore a mask. Like what the hell? But nah, like shorty, like the shorty in the with the white. I like them blazing. She look a little bit blazing. You know what I'm saying? my type is Blazings. Like, not really my type, but like I really like Blazings. I never had one in my life, but when I had one in my life, that's when you know my life is completed. But yeah.
I gon' love a hoe, she don't love the bros. No way, no way. You've been on my mind, I've been thinking about you all day, all day. New creep, I'ma be when I'm outside. Make some fronts and good weed while I smile out. I ain't tryna control you, enjoy your night, let's go insane. I gon' love a hoe, she don't love the bros. No way, no way. You've been on my mind, I've been thinking about you all day, all day. New creep, I'ma be when I'm outside.
Wait, what happened? What the hell happened?
Yeah, Cali weed, alcohol, I'm off my face again. I took some molly now, looking like an alien. I'll be well, so well. Let's do drugs before we fuck, I'm fucking space again.
Alright, what the hell are we...
Rolling. So, what's your name, bro?
And off is Jumpy.
Alright, man. Hey, man, if you guys made it to the end of the video, be sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Y'all already know what I'm out of doing. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Oh, we can push that 8-minute mark and get some money, but I gotta get like 10 videos out today, no lies. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.